Hey, what's up, guys? It's me, Arjuna, and today we're gonna be doing a tutorial based on mostly just doing Unity in terms of physics, and the physics are gonna be like difficult to control if you don't know how to use them. So let's take a look right here, and right here I have my spaceship, my asteroids, and this is space theme, right? So everything's supposed to be flying around. So the way I make it do that is that the asteroids are like basically floating around with this rigid body 2D thing, and the mass is 10, so this won't easily move it backward and stuff. And then also, I have Polygon 2 Collider 2D, and you keep the trigger off right here. And then also the friction should be 0 and the gravity should be 0, so it could like float around. I put the same thing on these other ones too. So yeah, and I put no gravity on my character too because he floats around when he moves around and stuff. And the way I make him move around is that I add the move script right here, and it does WASD, or you can do arrow keys too, or just WASD. And then I put his movement speed at 12 just to move all directions and stuff. And then also, for movement right over here, these zombies are the enemies. So basically, they're supposed to attack you and chase you. Except the duplicates don't chase you. They pop randomly around and try to just like go around. And if you touch them, it hurts you. But right now, I'm leaving the health modifier off so I can just show you the video so I don't die. So let's take a look real quick. So as you can see, this is the zombie following me. And those zombies are just floating around, moving randomly, which is called Wonder. So he keeps following me. The main zombie keeps following me. But you see, I can orient to all direction. So the way I do that with my ship right here is that I put right here orient to direction, so it can actually turn the direction I wanted to go when I'm moving. And then also you have to keep it at look axis out. And then movement type all directions, you keep it at that too. And then also you have to do the same thing for the zombie if you want it to like follow you in a logical way. And I also use this component called duplicate. Like I mean no wonder, because the wander helps it just like move around randomly. And see the description right here. The game object will move around randomly. Use keep near starting point if you want it to keep near its starting position. But we don't need that right now, so it's fine. So also the zombie I used for the same thing, 0 gravity since it's just floating around, but it's just basically trying to follow you and attack you. But spaceship, basically you can send it to follow wherever like goes around. You can send it to follow that rock, follow another zombie, or but I said to follow my spaceship blue right here. So yeah, that's what it's supposed to be doing. And then basically, I made this duplicating script that's called object creator area, which creates a duplicate of itself and keeps doing it until well, it doesn't. It just keeps doing it for indefinitely. You can make the limit though, and you can also change the spawner interval, which like makes it like fast. If you increase the spawn interval, it'll make it like faster. But if you decrease the spawn interval, it'll make it um it'll make it slower. But for the and then you can like prefab, and then object creation you have to put prefab to spawn something. So I chose this thing to spawn. And basically that thing wanders around and it spawns a wandering zombie. That is the only zombie that follows you. I repeat, that is the only zombie that follows you. So yeah, basically watch again. He follows you almost the same amount of speed, And you notice as I bump into the asteroids, they don't move very much, but they're realistic because that's how you would move against the asteroid if you were in a spaceship. So basically, yeah, those things. And I put a little bit more weight on the bigger ones because they're big, and these small ones have a mass of 5, and then the bigger ones have a mass of 10. So yeah, basically that's what it's all about. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you find this useful. Thank you.